From IIM Bangalore, and today we are here to present our solution on the green fintech aspect. So next slide, please. Yeah, so like this is the solution. So basically, I mean, we want to enter into the green fintech space, and we have done some market overview and regulatory landscape analysis along with the barriers to adoption, and we have find these are the findings. Can we go to the next slide? Yeah. So while we were researching to make the entire ecosystem green, so here were the key stakeholders that we identified. So the number first was the bank. So basically, each and every bank wants to go green. So they have this immense pressure to invest into the green projects. So the problem faced by them is that they want to analyze the green CIBIL score of the company, whether their company is actually into green initiatives. They want to have predictive algorithms, and similarly for the consumer, they want to be transparent, they want to be motivated so that they can buy more sustainable products. And for the businesses, the biggest gap that we found out was that they need investment for their green initiatives. So that's how we identified this niche, and that's why we are targeting into this particular space of green fintech. So according to our analysis, our platform, the kind of platform, the kind of business that we want to create have the business potential of about 4.6 billion. Can we go to the next slide? Yeah, so now we will move on to the solution part.
Yeah, so as we have discussed the problem statement right now, I'll just quickly walk you through the solution, right? So the main primary goal is to build a fintech ecosystem wherein we bring all the three stakeholders together on a single platform, that is the businesses, governments, and the consumers, right? So if you look into the tech architecture, we have cloud servers for all the three stakeholders. And when we are to connect the bank with the business users, we are using the blockchain system to give the green scores to the businesses, so that businesses, banks can look into the green score and then they can decide whether to give loans or not, right? So another AI algorithm that we are using over here is based on the business goals of a particular business. They'll be able to see the right projects for them to do. So yeah, this is the technical architecture. So that's the product prototype that we have. We'll look into the product prototype in the MVP video. Can we go to the next slide? So I'll just quickly talk about the business model. So we are following the AARR growth model. So for the acquisition of customers, right, all the three stakeholders, we'll launch the product on all the Instagram channels and all the social media channels, and we highlight the features of our platform. And for activation, we'll educate the stakeholders with demo videos and let them know about the green practices. And for retention, we'll be giving personalized notifications to all the stakeholders, and we'll be having feedback mechanisms to improve our platform. And for the referral part, we'll be having knowledge sharing sessions, and we'll be building communities so that they can refer to as many people as possible, right? For the revenue model, we have a subscription model and also commission based on green transactions. So our implementation strategy would be to first enter into the tier 1 cities wherein consumers are more motivated to consume green products, right? And also the businesses are willing to go green. And after that, we'll expand into tier 2 cities and like that, right? So for our impact assessment, we'll be focusing on 3 parameters. One is the environmental impact, social impact, and the financial impact. Can you move to the next slide, please? Yeah, so in here, we have already discussed the primary objectives, that is promote sustainable investments for banks, enhance transparency for banks so that they can invest into green companies, and increase awareness and adoption among the normal consumers, and encourage sustainable practices across all these 3 stakeholders. Now, I'll just list out the key functionalities. We'll deep down into the features in the MVP video. So first feature is Green Investment Portal. Second is AI-driven carbon footprint management. Third one is a blockchain-based green scores. And fourth one is knowledge center. And fifth one is green point system. And we are focusing on product stewardship, wherein we are consulting business to not only go green in their processes, but also to go green at the supplier level and consumer level as well. So can you go to the next slide, please? Right. So now we'll have a look into the demo video that we have built, our MVP. There's a video in the folder. Can you play that, please?
Yeah, so while we are playing this video, so like we are currently working with the Reserve Bank of India Innovation Hub for this particular project, and we are also in touch with the Marwadi Catalyst because like they were interested into this green finance space. So and like we are also in touch with the largest incubator of India, NSR Cell, and we will be pitching them this week.